Hey, welcome. Today I'm going to show you guys the EZVIZ. This is the indoor HD Wi-Fi camera C1C. Got it from Best Buy. It's on sale for 40 bucks. So just got it, washed it with soap and water, left it out for a couple of hours. So I'm just going to open it and then show you guys how to set it up. Let's see. Thank you card from EZVIZ. Questions and concerns, just call them, text them, tweet them. Let's see what's inside. That's it. First, let's look at the camera. Bottom goes first. Has the leg. Ah, nice. Not too small. That's about the. This is my phone. But we'll see how it goes on the wall. So there's the camera. Garbage. I like to stick my stuff back as it was when it came into the packet. So if I need to return it or storing it, it's just always the easier. Lots of crazy engineers worked on optimum packaging solutions, so may as well use that. Let's see. Got a quick start guide. And well, it doesn't look too bad. Let's see. Always squish it the opposite way so all the crinkles and stuff goes away. Works pretty good. It's pretty soft. I think it'll go okay into my wall. Then we have a wall mount and a couple of stickers to stick on the back on both, one on this one, I'm guessing, and just stick it on. So pretty good. This is a 5-volt 1 amp USB. I'll just use the one I have. If this one fits, I'll just use this one. That is it. I don't think I need to know anything right now except for when I'm going to set it up. I may need something. Let's do that after. So we got a mini USB port on this side, speaker on the back, and a SD card slot on the side. Cool. Let's hook this up. Okay, so got the wire back. Let's put this stuff back in. Let's plug this in. Plugged in. Thingamajig is red right now. I'm just going to go ahead and download the app. It better be called EZVIZ. Perfect. Installing EZVIZ. While that's downloading, let's just quickly go through it. Setup, power outlet, power cable, create an account. Of course, you need an account.
Please use EZVIZ app for device Wi-Fi configuration.
There you go. I suppose once I install the app and create the account, there won't be too much to do, except for it says there's a QR code that you need to scan, and then you'll just get added to it. I don't see oh, there's the QR code in the back, on the bottom, sorry, on the bottom. So that's what I'll use. EZVIZ is installing. All right, EZVIZ app took about 2 minutes to register. Just did it with the phone number, sent me a code on my text message, got that in, and it logged me in. You can also enable fingerprint scanning for logging in, so that's something I always use. So set that up as well. Took about 2 minutes to install, so now I'm going to go ahead and add the device. So let's click on this. It's asking for the QR code. Let's do the QR code. Perfect. Device is powered on. Device is powered on. Clicking on next. Indicator flash is blue. Yes. It's flashing blue right now. You gotta turn GPS on your location services on your phone. So once that is on, you have to allow the GPS to read it. So make sure there's no obstruction between your router, the EZVIZ app, and the phone. Good. Then it needs to read your Wi-Fi password. So just the one that you use at home. Plug that in. It's trying to connect. Device network is being connected. So I'm just gonna let that sit for a minute.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Please wait.
There you go.
Wi-Fi connected.
Nice.
Platform registration successful.
Woohoo. 90%.
Configuration complete. Welcome to EZVIZ.
All right. Ooh. Ooh. Pretty cool. I would say there is a little bit of fisheye action going on there. I'm going to use it as a baby cam, so shouldn't be too bad. Quality is good. Only thing I would say, I will try the night mode at night, and then I can let you guys know. You can also set daytime savings light time and whatnot. So looks like that's set already. Date format free trial. There is a Cloud Play secure store. View your videos on the cloud anytime. I am not going to get that right now, and then just check it out. So there's a checkbox at the bottom. So you should be. I'm gonna see how it is without it. Get an SD card on there. That is it. Congratulations. First step, turn off battery usage limit. Okay, so there is a battery usage limit they're asking me to turn off, so I'm gonna see what it does without it. Otherwise, we'll see. So congratulations, we got a free trial to Cloud Play, 30-day trial subscription. EZVIZ will charge you after the free trial, so it's for 7 days. I am going to see what it does without it. There we go. EZVIZ is up and running. There's of course a firmware upgrade because it's been sitting on the shelf for so long, so just going to do that, keep it all up to date and whatnot, and that's it. It's just waiting. I'm gonna take the nice plastic covers off and then hook it up and then let you guys on the comment on how it's going a couple of months down the road, because I always see this on the first time and then you never heard back about it. Only one comment is I had another Genie Mercury cameras. Those were about $35 at Walmart, and Superstore you can get them too. They were about half the size and half the weight, but the camera, the video quality wasn't good. This one, video quality is pretty good, 1080p. So I just got this one. The other ones were 780. And the other thing we can do with this one, I think you can ask Google to show it on your screens on TVs with Chromecast, and if you have a smart device and whatnot, you can just cast it right there as well. So I'm gonna try that out quickly, but yeah, otherwise device is good to go. Another thing I quickly want to show you guys is how to set it up with Google Home. So I'm just gonna go click on the plus on the very left corner, set up a new device, set up. I have something already set up, so I'm just gonna go there. It's gonna give you a list of providers. So from there, I'm just gonna select EZVIZ. Perfect. It's right there. Get that. It's going to ask you to log in. Okay, it takes you to the EZVIZ site, so log in with your phone number or whatever you use to sign up, and your password. Sign in. It's going to ask you to authorize the account. Authorize that. Linking. And that should be it. Let's see where my device is. It should be at the very bottom where all the orphans go. So there you go. It's called C1C something. Let's see if I can see it on my under cameras. Oh, right. I gotta rename it first. So just click on that. Alright, so to get the baby to show up on Google Home displays, go to your EZVIZ app, into the settings of your camera. There is image encryption. Just on that settings, turn that off. It's gonna send you a notification message for a verification code. Get that on. Turn the encryption off. Turn the apps off, and then you can say, "Okay, Google, cast baby camera to display."
Got it. Streaming the baby on display.
On that display over there, you're gonna see the camera. Is it streaming? There's about 10-second delay. Yeah. Look at that. Alright, enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, and talk to you guys soon.